back to the channel. Today I have with me two ceiling fans from Rallifan. Both are superstar model. This is a 56 inch, this is a 48 inch. This is a 80s model and this is a 90s model. Now this is a threaded down rod 80s model and this is a bolt fit 90s. Let me show you the blades. This is the 56 inch blade. This is from another Rallifan which I don't have. This is the 48 inch blade. See the difference in shank and blade. We can say as time changed, Rallifan quality decreased. Definitely. So today we're going to be comparing both the fans performance wise and inside out. Let's tear the fans down first. So guys, here both the Rally fans are tore down. This is the 48 inches, the threaded shaft one, and this is the 56 inches, the bolt fitment. So let me talk about what's the difference in both of these and how cost cutting has affected them. So first of all, we come to the download. As you can see, both are different age fans. One is a threaded, one is a bolt. That itself tells you that's minimum. So this is not the priority right now. Main thing is the coils. So as you can see, the difference in stator diameter. So this is a newer model. As you can see, 14 pole stator. I have counted the poles, 14 plus 14. As you can see, fresh coils. Looks like the person who scrapped this rewound it, used it and scrapped it. And you can see the rotor. This is the rotor and the spring. As you can see, this rotor has these three clamps which are common in Rally fans. Good rotor protection, but if you lose them, it's impossible to find them. You have to fabricate them. Same goes for this one. This one has the bearing screw fitment thing. This one doesn't have, as you can see. So I removed the upper body instead of touching. I removed the lower body instead of touching the upper body. As you can see, this is a 8 plus 16 coil. Bearings are a bit tight. Same technology here, but you can see I think there's a difference in body diameters as well, and quality thickness a bit is low. This is the upper body of the Rallifan 48. As you can see, body quality is quite better compared to this 56, the newer one. There's some capacitor oil leakage, and also the fitment is different. Keep that aside. So opening this is really easy, but when you try to open this, first thing you have to go through is this capacitor, the bearing cover, and then you have this circlip on the shaft which prevents the upper body from coming. And as usual, we have the medallion here, the metal medallion of Rallifan. Very neat. This one didn't come with a medallion, so we'll leave it aside. Both the fans are double ball bearing, but Rallifan also had bush variants as well. You can check them out on Pankaj channel. So he's another guy who is interested in all these ceiling fans. Now let's assemble these back. Let's do a performance test. We will put a 56 blade on this old fan and see if it will handle it, because definitely the coil thickness and the poles are different. This can easily handle these thin quality 56 blades. This might handle the 48 blades, but we'll see in the performance test. Let's assemble them back. So as you can see, both the ceiling fans have now been assembled. Capacitors and everything are ready. Now it's time to test run. So as the blades are installed, let's switch on the fan. Now let's test the 48 inches Rallifan and see the performance difference. Okay guys, due to unwanted situation I can't test this ceiling fan. So what is happening is, when I'm testing it in series lamp the fan is rotating, when I'm testing it in the ceiling it's not rotating. Probably the winding is short, so we can't intertest both of them, but I have shown test of it. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video coming really soon.